Hey everyone, just wanted to share a video with everybody. I got a 2021 used Audi e-tron Sportback and got it out of state, in a state where of course they require the front license plate, but I of course live in a state that doesn't, so this has definitely got to go. It definitely breaks up the look, so we'll see. But knowing that there'll be holes drilled into the grill, I did order some plugs from bumperplugs.com. They weren't cheap, that's for sure. The two of these, including shipping and tax and all that, was like 80 bucks for 4 little plugs. But just so you guys know, if you have the black optics package, it's the brilliant black that you need to order that matches that. So let's see how it looks underneath the holder. All right, so on these you need can't remember what size it is, but it's one of the T bits. It's that star shape. Make it a little bit, I guess, difficult to take off. So screws come out pretty easily. Four screws. Now there's gonna be 4 holes. Whoa. If you zoom in real quick, you can just see how bad these holes are. It's so sad. I don't know why a company like Audi can't come up with a better solution for this, but so sad. I take a microfiber cloth and just clean it up a little bit around so you can see. I'm not sure what the best way to get rid of this sort of raised portion is, but I'm going to take the drill to it and see if that doesn't knock it out. And then I ordered also with the plugs, they offer the right size drill bit. It's a weird size for sure. It's like 9/32, and my own drill bit set didn't have that. So they say it's got to be pretty accurate. I think you can get away with a 1/4 inch, but figured for the $3 or whatever, I'll get the right one and make sure the holes are as perfect as can be. All right, here we go. Seems to be pretty clean. Instructions say to make sure that it's at least 3/4 of an inch of depth, but I can tell you it's hollow behind here, so. Clean that up. I imagine if there's a bit of a raised edge to it, the bumper plug won't sit in there as flush as you want it to, so just make sure it's tidied up. Sort of pains me that I'm putting actually bigger holes into the grill, but you know, and if I ever sell the vehicle and somebody needs to remount the front plate, we're gonna have to find a solution, I guess. Well, the drill bit worked really well, and that actually went pretty smoothly and pretty cleanly, so it does feel pretty good there. All right. Now, I saw some other videos online that said, you know, you gotta make sure you apply even pressure and straight on, otherwise there's a possibility that you're gonna crack the paint on here. Really, what makes these so expensive is that they use the OEM paint and clear coat it to make sure that, you know, the match is perfect and of high quality. So, you know, I've seen also online where some people have gotten similar plugs just from Lowe's or whatnot, but finish just doesn't quite match. It's kind of a matte black. So let's see how this goes. It does feel like a perfect fit. And there you go. That looks pretty good. one. Yeah, I can see why they want that size bit to be just right, because that pops in really well, I guess, without you having to force it if the bit was a little bit off. I guess if you'd done it too big too, that wouldn't stay that well. So far so good. It's like it just clicks into place. And there we go. So, I don't know what you guys think, guys, but I think that looks pretty good. It's like, if you didn't know, they almost look like some of the distance sensors that have just kind of been added there. So, it's a pretty elegant solution, I think. See, if I step back too, it's like, I wouldn't even know they were there. So, money well spent. I guess time will tell. Hopefully they last a while. But hope you enjoyed my video, and hope that helped you make a decision on whether you wanted to do that as well for your vehicle. I think that's pretty good. Thanks, guys.